ఈరోజు మనము క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ బూలియన్ రింగ్. Prove that characteristic of a boolean ring is 2. So it is very important. So first of all, what is the definition of boolean ring? In a ring, every element is idempotent. Then the ring is called boolean ring. Here we have to show that the characteristic of this boolean ring is 2. So what is the definition of characteristic of a ring? So first suppose R plus comma dot is a ring. Let n be a least positive integer such that n into a is equal to 0 for every a belongs to R. Then the characteristic of R is n. Then the characteristic of R is n. Already we see the examples of the characteristic of Z is 0. The characteristic of Q is also 0. The characteristic of R is also 0. The characteristic of C is also 0. And also we know that characteristic of Z n, where n is any positive integer is n. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనము క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ Z అనేది 0 ఎలా అవుతుంది, క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ Q అనేది 0 ఎలా అవుతుంది వీటి చూసాం. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనకి క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫీల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఐదర్ ప్రైమ్ ఆర్ 0 అది కూడా చూసాం. ప్రైమ్ ఎందుకు అవుతుంది అంటే మనకి ఫైనైట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ అనేవి ఉంటే, ఫైనైట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ అంటే Zn Zp plus p dot where p is a prime is a field, then the characteristic of this field is p. Then the characteristic of this p is p. Here this is the definition of characteristic of a ring and also Boolean ring conditions. We have to show that the characteristic of this Boolean ring is 2. So proof. So first of all, let R plus comma dot is a Boolean ring. Is a Boolean ring. So the definition of Boolean ring is in R every element is idempotent. So whenever we say that an element is idempotent, if A square is equal to A, then A is called idempotent. Then we take any element A belongs to R, which implies A plus A is also belongs to R. So by closure property, additive closure property. Why? Because R is ring, then R satisfies additive closure property. So whenever A plus A belongs to R, since R is Boolean ring, which implies A plus A whole square is equal to A plus A. Whenever A is in R, A square is equal to A. Here A plus A is in R, then A plus A whole square is equal to A plus A. This A plus A whole square can be written as A plus A into A plus A, which is equal to A plus A. From this one, A into A square, again A square is equal to A plus A. So whenever A belongs to R, since R is Boolean ring, we have A square is equal to A. From that one, A plus A plus A plus A is equal to A plus A. Here, left cancellation law, A get cancelled, right cancellation law, A get cancelled. Since cancellation loss. Okay, so A plus A is equal to 2A. 2 into A is equal to 0. Here for every A belongs to R, then A plus A is also belongs to R, and also we get 2 into A is equal to 0. Whenever n into A is equal to 0, we say that n is the characteristic. Here 2 into A is equal to 0. This implies characteristic of R is equal to 2. Characteristic of R is equal to 2. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనము characteristic of a Boolean ring is 2. First of all, we use the definition of Boolean ring. That means whenever A is in R, then A square is equal to A, and also R is a ring. By additive closure property, A plus A is also belongs to R. Again, we use Boolean ring property. A plus A whole square is equal to A plus A. Whenever A is in this Boolean ring, we have A square is equal to A. Whenever A plus A belongs to R, we have A plus A whole square is equal to A plus A. This A plus A whole square can be written as A plus A into A plus A, which is equal to A plus A. After that, a into a square, but a square is equal to a. Again, a square is equal to a square is equal to a square is equal to a. So, since R is Boolean, that is ring, running is nothing but R comma plus is abelian. So we know that already in a group cancellation laws holds. But here R is group abelian group with respect to addition. అందుకే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎడిటివ్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లాస్ అనేవి హోల్డ్ అవుతాయి. అదే ఒకవేళ ఈ విధంగా ఉంటే హోల్డ్ కావు. a into b is equal to a into c ఉంటే ఇక్కడ in a ring does not hold left cancellation law or right cancellation law. Why? Because రింగ్ అంటే గ్రూప్ లో మాత్రమే అవుతాయి. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఆర్ కామా ప్లస్ అనేది గ్రూప్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఎడిటివ్ యొక్క క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లాస్ మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయాలి. అందుకే ఇక్కడ మనం ఎడిటివ్ గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లాస్ అనేవి యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో నెక్స్ట్ prove that if characteristic of R is 2, then prove that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Second one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b. Solution. Here a plus b whole square is equal, first we consider a plus b whole square is equal to, it can be written as a plus b into a plus b. So here a into a square, and also b into a ba, and also b into b is b square. Here a into b. So from that one, a square, this a ba ab can be written as 2ab plus b square. So here this R is, if the characteristic of a commutative ring is 2, compulsory R అనేది commutative ring అయితేనే ఈ కండిషన్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే R అనేది commutative ring కాకపోతే ఈ BA ని AB అని చెప్పేసి రాయలేము. ఇక్కడ ఈ BA ని AB ని యాడ్ చేసాం 2AB అని చెప్పేసి రాసామంటే ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీగా R అనేది commutative ring కావాలి, అండ్ ఆల్సో క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఇక్కడ 2 అని చెప్పేసి ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి characteristic 2 అయితే for every a belongs to R ki 2 into a is equal to 0. Characteristic of R is equal to is nothing but for every a belongs to R 2a is equal to 0. Here 2 into a is equal to 0 means a square plus 0 plus b square. From that one we get a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, and the next one, a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. This a into a square, a into minus b minus ab minus b into a minus ba plus b square. Again is here commutative ring property. Whenever R is commutative, we use the condition ab is equal to ba. Here we write ba is equal to ab minus ab can be written as minus 2ab plus b square. But given that characteristic of R is 2, that is 2 into a is equal to 0. Here again we write 2 into a is equal to 0, that means a square plus b square. Okay.